A moment of silence. Hey, welcome back. I want to show a new feature that we have in our code base for OpenEMR. Let's get right to it. This is the provider dashboard that was requested. So, when you log into the system now, there's this provider dashboard that shows you the documentation that has not been filled out. Now, since I'm the supervisor, and of course I do work too, mine's listed first, and then those that I'm supervising, there's a listed here. But if Dr. Spock logs in, he only sees his own. He only sees his own. He doesn't see anybody else's. So of course this gives Spock, Dr. Spock a view of what documents need to be signed by him. And of course then from here you can jump right into that encounter, review it and sign it. Okay, so that's a pretty neat feature. Now how do you assign supervisors? So when you go to users, and let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and pick another doc here, Doc Holiday, and then I would assign whoever is going to be Doc Holiday's administrator, or sorry, supervisor, the supervisory role here, and then save it. Now once I save that, then when that supervisor logs in, that supervisor again sees their own work if there's any to do, and then sees all the people that he's supervising, and then of course he's able to jump into, he or she is able to jump into that chart and sign it. Of course, I've been requested for a sign all feature, and that's coming next. Talk to you later.